old appliance parts being repurposed into new creations. Imagine turning something old and unused into something new and useful. That's exactly what happens when old appliance parts find a second life. When appliances are no longer working or are outdated, they don't just end up in the trash. Instead, they often go through a process that helps save resources and reduce waste. First, old appliances are collected through donation programs, resale shops, or recycling centers. Many retailers have programs where you can return your old appliance when buying a new one. Once collected, the appliances are carefully taken apart. This step is important because it separates hazardous parts from recyclable materials. For example, refrigerants and certain plastics are removed to prevent environmental harm. Next, the valuable materials are sorted. Metals like steel, copper, and aluminum are extracted because they can be recycled repeatedly without losing quality. Copper wiring from power cords is stripped and recycled separately because it is highly valuable. Glass from appliance doors and plastics are cleaned and prepared for reuse. These materials are then sent to manufacturing plants. At the factories, recycled metals are melted down and shaped into new parts. For example, steel from old refrigerators can be turned into new appliance panels or even used in construction materials. Plastic parts can be melted and molded into casings for new electronics or household items. Glass is crushed and processed into new glass products. This process not only helps create new products but also cuts down on the need for virgin materials. It takes less energy to recycle metals and plastics than to produce them from scratch. Recycling old appliance parts supports sustainability by conserving natural resources like minerals, water, and timber. Some of the most creative repurposing happens when parts are used in art or furniture. For instance, metal frames from old washing machines can be transformed into unique tables or sculptures. Plastic components can be repurposed into decorative items or storage containers. In the world of buying and selling appliances, knowing that parts are being reused encourages consumers to choose recycling programs. It's a smart way to upgrade appliances while helping the environment. When you decide to replace an old appliance, look for programs that recycle and reuse parts. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Overall, old appliance parts are carefully dismantled, sorted, and processed into new products. This cycle keeps valuable materials in use longer, reduces waste, and supports a cleaner planet. It's a practical and creative way to turn what might be trash into something new and useful.